Structure of the earth. Structure of the earth कैसे बताऊं? अरे यशस्वी, यही तो अर्थ का क्रस्ट है.
क्या सर, आपको आइसक्रीम ही चाहिए थी तो सीधा बोल देते. इसमें ज्योग्राफी घुसाने की क्या जरूरत थी?
When you are passionate about something, you can see it everywhere. Like this ice cream, the earth is made up of layers. The upper crust, the mantle, and the core. To be precise, the layers of the earth can be broken down into these layers. The top two layers form the lithosphere. It extends up to the depth of 200 kilometers. It is believed that long time ago, the earth's surface was water, that is ocean, and one giant piece or plate called the supercontinent Pangaea. It is believed that this giant plate, due to the forces acting on the surface of the earth, became smaller continental plates, and they started drifting to the locations that we find them today, forming nations, countries, and continents. This theory of these plates drifting to their current location, forming even the Himalayas, is called the continental drift theory. Do discuss with your teacher in class about the continental drift theory. You will be surprised to know that these plates keep moving around by a small amount still, causing changes on the surface of the earth. The earth's movement are divided on the basis of the forces that cause them. The two forces, their agents and their effects are shown on your screen. The forces that act in the interior of the earth are called endogenic forces, and the ones that act on the surface or exterior of the earth are called exogenic forces. Now, we have all heard about earthquakes. Earthquakes are formed by the movements of these plates. This is an example of endogenic forces at work. God forbid, अगर आप कभी एक earthquake में caught up हो जाएं, तो the most important things that you should remember if you are caught in the middle of an earthquake are, if you are inside a building, you stay there. Don't use the elevator. Move away from the windows and glasses to a corner and drop, cover yourself with a table, pillow, book, and hold on. If you're outside, on foot, move away from anything that can fall on you, like electricity poles, buildings, branches of trees. Drop, cover, and hold. If you're inside a house, if you can get out immediately, do that. If you cannot, apply the same mantra. If you're on a bed or inside a room, that is drop, cover, and hold. If you're inside a car, park the car to a place where nothing can fall on it, stay inside the car, and hold on. Giving you an example of exogenic forces at work, when the river originates from the top of a mountain, the water flows down at great speed. When the river enters a plain, it starts moving in a twist and turn pattern, forming large turns called meanders. Due to the continuous erosion and deposition on the sides and ends of the meander, over a period of time, the two ends of the meander come closer and closer. In due course of time, the meander loop cuts off from the river and forms a cut-off lake called an oxbow lake. Your teacher in class would be giving you a lot of examples about endogenic and exogenic forces and what changes they cause on our earth. So don't miss your class. See you in class.